Alright, so here we are at the lake. We're about to indulge. Got this little fisher guy, caught some fish. Got this guy over here, caught some fish. Got a fire ready to roll. We got our fish processed right here. Got the good old foil, olive oil, and you gotta have the lemon pepper. So we're gonna get these guys wrapped up. Gonna let the fire burn down a little bit, get some coal, so that way we're not frying our fish up too much. So I'll just thought I'd share with you. We're still here at this lake with there's crazy people over here. Either way, it's a good day. Today was a good day, like Ice Cube said. Anywho, there's some fire for mesmerization. Get you mesmerized.